Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Rahul and today I am going to see how to use this point command in Creo Parametric, these three. Okay, so those who have Creo Parametric software, open the software, and those who don't have the software, please see the video on my channel is available how to download the software and how to install that one in free way. So just open your Creo Parametric, click on the file, take the new file, in part as a type and solid as a subtype. Here you can put your file name and take this click mark, click on OK. System is generating interface for me, and before that in this window we have to select millimeter part solid, click on OK. Now okay, here is the interface. So first of all I will create one model, and through that we will see these three commands in this video. For all the commands of Creo Parametric, for single video, for single command, you can get on my channel. So kindly subscribe to the channel, those who are new on this channel. Click on the front plane, click on the sketch. First of all I will create some object. Click on the sketch view. Now then just take the center rectangle, draw from the center like this, click on OK. Then click on extrude, make this extrude as both side extruded, click on green tick mark. Now the object is ready. Okay, before that I would like to tell or show some things here. From here, date and display filters, click on this. By unticking you can hide axis display, point display, coordinate display, plane display. If I untick this, here you can see display is hiding like this. If I click on this planes, all the planes are hidden. Okay, and from here just click on coordinate system. From here we can hide that point display, you can hide and unhide like this. Okay, different are like you can hide dimensions so from here also. Okay, now we have object. Let's here the point command is here. First point, this offset coordinate system, and this field. This is very simple. Just click on the field and click any point on the surface. Here the point is created without any dimensions, normal point is created. Click on OK. Okay, here you can see. Okay, and then click on point, click on this first point. Okay, now I will create, just click on this plane, that second point is created here, and this is the manual method. We have to select these references, two references. This is the first reference, this is the second reference, like this. Okay, from here you can change the dimension of that point. If I click anywhere, different points are created here. Here you can see point number 1, point number 2, 3 and 4. Okay, like this. Press the escape key, click on S. Okay, again go to here point, click on the point, click on this face. Okay, select this and select this as a second reference. Here point is generated as you can see clearly. Double click on this, put 100 millimeters, put the 100 millimeter, mean this point is 100 kilometer from this plane and 100 kilometer from this plane. Okay, so in this way, this is the first way. Click on OK, this point is created, here you can see. Now secondly, I will try to select this first surface. Press Ctrl key, select this first one and select this one plane, and then click on this point. In this way, here point is created. Okay, here you can see like this. by 0.27 value. Okay, click on OK. So this is the second way, by selecting the two surfaces. Okay, again go to the point. We'll try to create point by selecting, first of all just select this plane, then press Ctrl, select this plane and go to the points and click on first point. Here you can see point is generated exactly at the coordinate system and at center of the both the planes. Okay, like this. I will try to select this plane also like this, because here if I not select this plane, the third reference, then I unable to click on this OK. This OK was hidden. Okay, just press the Ctrl Z, you will see that this plane I was not selected, I was only selected this first plane and the second plane, but for this coordinate point we require 3 references. So press Ctrl and select this plane also. Now we can able to click on OK like this, and the point is created at coordinate system. Okay, this was the third way of creating the point. In this way you can create different points, and this last one is pending offset coordinate system. Click on the offset coordinate system and then select. For that we have to select this coordinate system, the portion is highlighting, click on this. Okay, after that click on this name 0.4. here we have to mention x-axis, y-axis, z-axis distance. For it's exactly right now it's exactly at coordinate system, that's why it is showing 0 mm, 0 mm, 0 mm and 0 mm. For this 0 mm for the z-axis, there is 0 mm for x-axis and this 0 mm for y-axis. Now I will put here 50 mm. Here you can see on x-axis this point is shifted from x-axis from this coordinate system to this side, x side by 50 mm. This distance is here. Okay, and just click on y-axis and put 50 mm and press the enter. Now from y-axis it shifted to this. Now the point is created exactly at 50 km from this x and y axis. If I wanted to make this from z axis also, okay, here you can see properly, click on z axis and put 50 mm and press enter. Now we are at 50 mm from all the 3 axes for this point creation. Click on OK. Okay, now the point is created. Here we see how to create this point, these 3 commands in various ways. Okay, by using the surfaces and by using the planes. So this is all about this. If you definitely like the video, please subscribe the channel, share it to your friends and hit the bell icon.